Kasalukuyan po tayong nandito sa Samar National School sa dress making contest na isinasagawa alinsunod sa Regional Festival of Talents. Wala pa rin pong proclamation ng winners sapagkat ayon sa mga judges ay bibitawan po nila ang opisyal na resulta sa darating na Lunes kung saan malalaman na ang mga nagwagi sa paggawa ng katangi-tanging kasuutan para sa Techno Olympics ng Regional Festival of Talents dito po sa lungsod ng Catbalogan.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Allow us to present an artistry and an artistry for the ability and functionality, elevating these elements of women's blouse development to a whole new level.
The major process of blouse, there are four major process in this class. The first step is taking body measurements, and the second is cutting, and third, cutting, and the fourth is zoom. For choose the fabric, this kind of fabric is vegetable, using this kind of fabric to make this blouse. And the process to make this is sewing. The first